Chris Hughes, Senior Lecturer on the Football Coaching and Performance Specialist degree here at Glyndŵr University. Probably the unique selling point of our course, which makes it stand out from everyone else, is the coach education pathway that we have with the FAW. So students who come on to our courses can undertake their FAW coach education badges from level 1, level 2 and level 3. So their FAW Leaders Award, FAW C certificate and their UEFA B licence. So not only do our students leave with a degree in football coaching and performance specialist, but crucially, they have their coaching qualifications as well, which is very important in the football industry.
I've always had a passion for football coaching, and I wanted to turn that passion into a full-time career. I work in a Welsh academy as it is, and I would like to support that learning with a degree behind it to be able to facilitate possibly a full-time career within football.
The things I enjoy most about my course is the variety of modules. So for example, this year we studied sports psychology, anatomy and physiology, football coaching, just to name a few. I also enjoy the facilities. We have the use of a football analysis suite, the Colliers Park and a sports and science lab on the Glyndŵr campus.
The facilities we've got down here at Colliers Park, which are cutting edge. We have grass pitches, and full-size 3G for our students to conduct their coaching activities. It's a real-life teaching environment. We're extremely fortunate that the relationship we have with the FAW here obviously means that we can use the facilities down at Colliers, but also means we have access to their resources as well. This has seen numerous students attend workshops, courses, and also then gain real-life experience within the regional squad and the national squad programme at both boys and girls level.
The skills of networking and being able to build relationships with key members of the Welsh FA staff has been great. The lectures on the course are linked heavily with the Welsh FA. So being able to network while learning and be able to use that in the applied world is a massive skill that's been a big advantage to me.
Football constantly changes, so that means our course has to change as well. So we're making sure that we're up to date with the modern trends. We bring lectures in to support that, whether it's in analysis, whether it's on nutrition, whether it's on physiology, whether it's on psychology, or whether it's around the football coaching. It's about the student first here at Glyndŵr, and that's what we're about. We put the student first, so we make sure that we cater to student needs, in addition to the learning outcomes from the FAW. We support them through their coach education badges. And as I said before, having the opportunity to not only study for a degree in a football environment, but also to have your coaching qualifications and leave with them as well, which will set you up for future employment within the industry.